If you could just describe the status, what happened.
Well, there was a charge placed against Tareq. We came to trial. It was agreed the case would be continued for 6 months and dismissed at that time, assuming there was no further problems. And we're here today expecting that the charge will be dismissed with prejudice, will be found not guilty, and that will be the conclusion of the case.
Now, some folks would say that because during that 6-month period, he's alleged to have crashed the White House State Dinner and turned in a watch that turned out to be fake, that might not be exhibiting good behavior. What would you say to those folks?
I don't have any comment on those remarks. I think the court's action will speak for itself relative to that.
Okay.
The charge in this case was not brought until October 29th, alleging that on August 14th, my client took keys that were in the possession of the tow truck driver when he left the property. And again, there was no charges brought until October 29th relative to an incident mid-August. Our position throughout this has been that Tareq is not guilty of this offense, and the conclusion that he committed a petty larceny is just nonsense.
A petty, define, I mean, don't you have to, it would seem that was the wrong charge, because for petty larceny, don't you have to, your goal would be to permanently deprive someone of something? And in this case, he was just trying to temporarily prevent the guy from taking his car.
Well, I think the facts and the circumstances in this case are fairly simple. Tareq acted at all times in a lawful manner, and I wouldn't characterize it as the wrong charge being brought. No charges should have been brought relative to this incident. And to bring charges October 29th for an incident in the middle of August just is nonsensical.
The tow truck driver said that when he got that Tareq yelled for his wife to get the gun, and the guy felt threatened. Did that happen?
Well, I think the question is, did he have permission to be on the property, and did he conduct himself at all times in a lawful manner? And there's no issue here as to Tareq's guilt or innocence, except with regard to this charge that we anticipate will be dismissed today and will be found not guilty of.